Hi, I'm Troy Rosasco, and I'm a 9/11 Victims Compensation Fund attorney. I'm going to talk to you today about how do you choose the right Victims Compensation Fund attorney for you. I'm sure you've seen a number of commercials, radio ads, newspaper ads for people who would like to represent you before the Victims Compensation Fund. Well, let me tell you what we do here. The number one thing we do is when someone calls our office and has questions about their eligibility under the Victims Compensation Fund, guess what? They get to talk to a lawyer. Not just any lawyer, they get to talk to one of the partners here. And what does that partner do? He doesn't rush anyone off the phone. He doesn't sit there and say, "Just the facts, ma'am." The partner sits there and listens. I want to hear your story. I spend a lot of my time listening, and there is an art to listening. And I can't tell you how often I pick up very, very good information simply by letting people tell me their story. Tell me what they did down at Ground Zero. Tell me the suffering they've had since then. Tell me the problems they've had getting medical care. Tell me about the economic problems you've had as a result of your 9/11 illnesses. After you've told me your story, then I can tell you a little bit about how we will help you file a 9/11 Victims Compensation Fund claim. I'll invite you into the office. If you don't live in the area, as many of you don't, because I know many of you, because of your illnesses, have moved out of state, we can stay in telephone contact. I'll send you a comprehensive package of information telling you everything you need to know about the Victims Compensation Fund. So that's the type of stuff I think you should be looking for in a 9/11 Victims Compensation Fund lawyer. Number one, will a partner get on the phone and talk to you the first time rather than a paralegal? Number two, are they willing to listen to you and hear out your whole story, or are they trying to rush you off the phone? Number three, do they have the experience necessary to do these types of claims? We've been doing these claims since right after the 9/11 attacks. We've been representing widows and orphans for free right after the 9/11 attacks. Why am I telling you this? Because I care about 9/11 victims. And you have questions, I'd be glad to give you the answers. Give us a call today at 1-855-WTC-INFO, and I'd be glad to talk to you about your rights under the 9/11 Victims Compensation Fund. Thank you.